This is going to be our first lecture, guys. Today, I am going to discuss about what cryptocurrency is, the Bitcoin and altcoins. This lecture will be about fundamentals. Again, welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. But before we start, I want to share to you a fact. If you had invested $100 in January 2011, where Bitcoin was only 30 cents, you could have earned 333 Bitcoins. Now multiplying that to the price of Bitcoin in January 2018 of about $11,251 will equal to $3,750,296. Now that is big for a $100 investment. And you too can be part of something big like this because in this course, you will learn how to find potential coins that can soar up to 1,000-fold just like Bitcoin. And yes, it is possible because Bitcoin is still in its early stage. To learn more about how the price of Bitcoin grew, read the article that I have linked after this lecture. Now let's jump on our first lecture. I will do my best to teach everything to you as simple as possible. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses cryptography to secure its transactions, to control the creation of additional units, and to verify the transfer of assets. They are digital, meaning to say they are not printed out. They're digital. They are independent of banks, meaning to say they're not controlled by any banks. They're also held electronically, and it's online. These are the top 10 largest Bitcoin accepting retailers. We have the Microsoft, Dell, Dish, Time Inc., Overstock, Expedia, Intuit, Monoprex, Newegg, and Tiger Direct. By the way, what is cryptography? Cryptography can be broken down into two words. Crypto, which comes from the Greek word kryptos, meaning to say hidden or secret. The other word is graphy, which means the process of writing or recording. Cryptography is basically the practice and study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of third parties called adversaries or hackers. This is made for transactions to be safe within the blockchain. And what is a blockchain? A blockchain facilitates secure online transactions. For example, these blocks hold batches of valid transactions that are hashed and encoded. Each block includes the hash of the prior block in the blockchain, linking the two. The linked blocks forms a chain, thereby calling it a blockchain. It is decentralized, meaning to say no central company or person owns the system. Everyone can use it. Also, no bank or financial man is involved in every transaction. This is why the big companies are so interested in the blockchain. Before we proceed, I want to discuss about the cryptocurrency terminologies so you would better understand the following lectures. We have to tackle the basics. Let's start with the address. A cryptocurrency address is essentially the same thing as your home address. It's location from which you would receive, send, or hold your cryptocurrency. These are long strings of alphanumeric characters that looks exactly the same as this. Now what is hash? A cryptographic hash is a mathematical function that takes a file and produces a relative shortcode that can be used to identify that file. It is unique. Only a particular file can produce a particular hash. And two different files will never produce the same hash. And also, it cannot be reversed. Peer-to-peer or P2P technology cuts out the middleman, meaning to say that people deal directly with each other. An altcoin is the community accepted name for any coin that isn't Bitcoin. Examples are Ripple, Monero, Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, and many more. Now, what is hash rate? Hash rate is the speed at which a block is discovered and the rate at which the related math problem is solved. This is related to mining that I will discuss later on. Now, what are smart contracts? Smart contracts help you exchange money, property, shares, or anything of value in transparent, conflict-free way while avoiding the services of a middleman. A market cap is a market value of a cryptocurrency. For example, a Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a market cap of over $180 billion. Fiat. Fiat is a government-issued money or currency. A paper money like dollar, euro, and yen. Now, what are whales? Whales refers to an individual or a group of people that can manipulate the market using their massive crypto wealth. They are the big money crypto players. HODL basically just means to hold your cryptocurrency, especially on a very volatile market. Mooning or skyrocketing are the terms that are used by cryptocurrency traders when the price is going really high. The all-time high are the highest price a coin has ever achieved. Well, bullish is the prices that are expected to go up, while bearish are the prices that are expected to go down. Market trend. Market trend is a perceived tendency of financial markets to move in a particular direction over time. It's trending down or it's trending up. Alright guys, now that we are done with the cryptocurrency terminologies, we can move on to our next lecture. I'll see you guys in the next video.